Hey beautiful people, welcome to my YouTube channel today. If you are just tuning into my channel for the very first time, welcome. In this video, I am going to be doing a very quick review and unboxing of this product that was sent to me by an Amazon seller. Why did I accept to do a review of this product? Because I was curious. I'm someone that loves trying new things out. I always like to give things a try no matter what. I just want to know. I'm curious, and I'll say curiosity led me here. I was so curious. I was like, oh really, milk frother? Okay, I want to know how this looks. I want to know what it does, and I would like to share it with my YouTube family too as well, because I'm very sure I'm not the only one that hasn't had a milk frother. So guys, the name of the product, as I said, is the brand name is Hola Rico, and this is the milk frother. So let's unbox this product, guys. If you are someone that you take cappuccino, see, it's weird. Mikey takes cappuccino, but she doesn't take coffee. So all that foam, that lovely foam that the milk usually has, apparently this is what makes that foam. I never knew, guys. Like, trust me, I never knew. You see how beautiful the keg looks like? Do I call this a keg or a jug? The electric kettle. See how beautiful this looks. It's white. I love the fact that the cover too looks so portable, transparent. You could see through it. I did see that this product is dry burning resistant protection. It's froth the milk in 30 seconds. That's your milk foams in less than 30 seconds. My bad. Yes, guys. And also it does have variable temperatures. It offers multiple choices so that you can adjust the temperature. It does have the lukewarm, from the lukewarm 120, 140 up to 160. The milk will foam for thickness, low, medium, high. This is the brush for cleaning the kettle. When you're done, make sure you rinse the kettle. Even before using it, before I used it, I had to wash the inside of the kettle, rinse it and all that. Yes, guys, it does also have a minimum and maximum level depending on the quantity of the milk you want to put in here. If you want to make just very little, maximum, it has a maximum quantity it can take as well. It all depends on you though. So for this, I was making the minimum quantity for my mom. She felt like taking coffee when she saw the frother. She was like, okay, if you're gonna be trying this out, then I'll take coffee. So guys, let's go ahead and turn the milk in here. This is my first time. Remember, I said this is my first time seeing such, and I'm super excited to be trying this out. I didn't put so much. You guys see, this is the first minimum quantity that I just put in here because I'm making a little quantity for my mom. And you can see this, it's a digital display. You guys will see it is a digital display. You don't need to press so much. So you guys see that digital display and touch control. Its touch panel is just hit it a little bit. You don't need to put all that pressure, no stress, which I think is super cool. That was easy. Do you guys see how easy that was? Yes, guys, I love this. Check the value through the LED display. You can see how it's frothing. It's actually foaming the milk. For those of you that don't know what frother means, it means foaming. It's making it's foaming the milk. And you guys see it. I did say it has variable temperatures from the lukewarm, that's lukewarm, cold, 120, 140, 160, depending on how you want your coffee. So if you want hot coffee, they have that temperature for you as well. Yeah, this is the variable milk foam density control down there as well. I just want you guys to see it. You guys see that? I am doing the cold latte right now, just cold coffee, not latte technically. And I love the fact that the jug is a stainless steel jug. It's very easy to clean. When I cleaned it, it was super easy to clean as well, guys. No joke. Trust me when I say that. If you're someone that loves your coffee to have that foamy feel that texture from the milk like cappuccino, I advise you go for this product. It's not even expensive, it's super affordable. It's just $68. Technically I'll just say $69, but $68, which I think is so cool, guys. It is so cool. It's affordable as well. It offers dry burning and all that. See, do you guys see? I love this. This is it, guys. It has foam. So let me go ahead right now and make the coffee. You guys see this? Oh my god, I wish I drink coffee. I would have been taking this. Wow, I love this, guys. You guys see this? So let's make this coffee. Yeah, guys, I'm making my coffee, and I did read about the product as well. It does say that the milk jug is fully made of 304 stainless steel. Inside is covered non-stick, which I did say initially. It's very easy to clean as well, and you can use this to make just 1 cup of coffee, even half cup of coffee to froth the milk for you. Do you guys see that foam? When my mom tasted it, she was like, oh my god, I really love this, and I was super excited that she liked it. So do you guys see how my coffee is looking? All that, the milk didn't just go directly in and dissolve, foam stayed on top, so when you drink it, the foam sticks on your mouth, which looked super beautiful, guys. Trust me, it looked so beautiful. The camera didn't even do justice to this product. So guys, thank you for watching to this extent. I'm gonna be leaving a link to this product in the description down below. If you do love coffee, you do love hot chocolate, your milk for me, please go ahead and click the link and purchase this product off of Amazon. As I did say, it's affordable. I really did like it, and thanks to the seller for sending this product for me to try out. It is a beautiful product. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.